outside. .58 meat? What the fuck?
Yo.
This bricking shit out here. That boy outside with them things, man. That boy said I don't got 400. This joint clean though.
Behind you at the light and shit.
You thought this joint was stock?
Nah, I didn't know.
Keeper joint for right now. YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? We back with another video. Let me give y'all boy some pulls. But today, man, as usual, we finna go on a little cruise. We got my boy Ryan in the back.
What?
Pause. And we got D in front of me right here. Just finna go on a little cruise, bro. Feel me? We got all the cars outside. And as y'all remember, I gave that boy, I can't even say certain shit without everybody thinking some crazy shit. But I gave that boy a ride in my car.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, nah, you tweaking. He was dead finna take that. But y'all boys feeling on this lovely day, man. Hey man, if y'all boys new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe, man. We finna pull up to this gas station though, man, cause I need some gas. Yo, what is flying around in the back? What the fuck? That boy on bumper, nigga. Huh? Why you on bumper, nigga? Facts. So we just got some gas chat. Yo, it is too fucking cold out there right now, chat. Overpass. Yo, that wind is devious, bro. That boy outside in that shit, bro. Stop playing with him. I think that boy D wanted a 60 roll. That boy D wanted that 60. Oh my God. Yo, this drink just spilling all over the place and shit. Let's cruise in comfort real quick, chat. See how the car sound. It sound like I'm in Sport Plus still. So let's just go back in Sport Plus. Oh, it's right up here. Overpass again. Oh my. The fucking hat clip broke, bro.
We get down here too.
Facts. Yo, you could do some pulls on this back stretch, nigga. Yo, why the hat clip just broke like that, man? The bottom look packed. Pause. Oh my. Oh my. I mean, we could, I ain't gonna lie, we could park out here, bro. Just, oh shit.
Yeah. You said park out here?
Yeah, like right here. We could just back up right here, nah? Yeah, them things outside. Them things outside, nigga. See, look. Look at all the windshield and shit. You see all the glare on the windshield and shit? Yeah, watch this.
Oh shit.
No glare. Stop fucking playing. Niggas about to get active out here, bro. How the fuck my batteries? I had this joint on the charger all night. Man. Niggas pulled up out here and my pocket 3 died, chat. So now we waiting for that bitch to charge up. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Yo, I cannot connect. My shit not even charged yet, bro. My shit not even, it's not even turning on. It's not turning on. And the only day I left my fucking box at the crib, bro.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
Oh my God, this shit look like a movie right now, boy. Oh my God. Look at this, John.
That shit clear.
That shit clear.
So gangy.
Yo, we just gave this nigga a fucking, we just gave this nigga a ride in a car, now he got his own car. Time flying, bro. Bro said I need that German shit.
Bro,
What you couldn't find a beam, or you just wanted something?
Nah, bro. I literally wanted to get the beam. That was what I was gonna get and shit. But my insurance was $1,106. Yeah.
What?
That's under my pop shit. So I had to switch to my mom's insurance. My shit was still $500 and something, bro. And, yeah, and she was.
How much insurance on here?
A dark blue.
Tell your mom trade you.
Trade you this, John. But if you take it at Mata, she gonna want it back.
Yeah.
Your mama got a taste in them whips, boy.
Yeah, bro. It's in the blood, bro.
What made her get it though? Like she just got it?
Me.
Like you told her to get it? This nigga like, yo, just get. Whole time she ain't even knowing he got a plan for it.
I'm gonna keep it up.
Pocket 3 charge, chat. We finna put some videos up right now. Stop playing.
Drizzy got the fight.
Ready when y'all ready, gang. We outside, chat. I broke my damn hat clip, man. I broke my fucking hat clip. I need to do that POV. I got my suction cup in the back though. Pause. Oh yeah, it's a tunnel right here. You wanna go first? God damn, chat. God damn. Why my map telling me go right? Chat, I broke my hat clip, bro, so y'all just gonna have to watch this angle right here, bro. Look at that hat clip right here, chat. That shit broke. So we about to pull up to the mall right now. We like 6 minutes away. Nothing too crazy. Oh, this the hospital right here. I was trying to tell y'all get in front of me. Oh shit. Hold on, we're gonna do a dig right here, chat. We got 2 overpasses coming up, chat. Fuck is wrong with that nigga, chat? Yo. Oh shit. That boy got something crazy. Oh my God. Go ahead. Damn! That shit clean. This mall security, well, they gonna try to kick us out. Oh, what the hell? Is that a Cybertruck? Damn, y'all. What the fuck is going on? About to go in here and grab some food real quick, chat. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we back in the car, man. Chat, we finna go to the crib right now, man. I broke my hat clip and I took the suction cup down, so now y'all gonna have to look at my face. That nigga looked at that shit like, God damn. Oh my God. I just scratched that lip, chat. That shit probably broke. That shit definitely broke. Yo, can they chill? As y'all could hear, the B58 is singing, man. Oh my God. Hey man, if y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Now we are on the way to 3K subs. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate every single one of y'all niggas that dropped a sub. Or if you liked the video, watched the video, anything, man. I appreciate y'all, boys. Right now we finna head to the crib. Feel what I'm saying? Since I don't got my hat clipped and I can't give y'all a POV, so we're gonna have to catch y'all boys in the next one, man. I gotta go take a But with that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.